आमी तांकां डायरेक्शन दिल्ली की आमकां सुप्रीम कोर्टाचे ऑर्डरीन एक आदेश आसा की द स्टेट गव्हर्मेंट हॅज टू डिसायड. देर इज अ कॅटेगरी कॉल्ड सफिशियंटली डेव्हलप्ड एरियाज which are proximate to municipalities. This is what the Supreme Court order provides. Under this, we had asked them to give us a breakup of the number of licenses in the talukas of Goa, which fall under the category of cluster towns, which are covered by the outline development plans which are applicable for those areas, and which are in village panchayats which are very close or proximate to municipal bodies, municipal corporations or municipal councils. So in which the 1,332 applications which are pending, we feel that around 1,021 today by and large fit in this category.
1,021
approximately, these are the approximate figures. So by and large only around 300 licenses are left out, who also may have been overlooked for several reasons, like constitution of new PDAs. There has been an announcement of a MOPA PDA already, but areas which are coming within the domain of this MOPA PDA have not been counted as ODP areas at the moment. So those also may have to be covered. So we are keeping that by and large separate. In principle, we are clearing almost everything other than 311 approximate licenses.
बार अँड रेस्टॉरंट वाल्यांची संघटना satisfied.
Today we were called here because they had decided that they would give relief to certain people depending on the sufficiently developed areas or areas close to the municipal areas or some tourist spots where there is sufficient of activities and all, which could be considered for renewal. So if you go to see, the total number of bars that are affected were 1,332. Out of that, in the first phase, at least 1,000 can get relief. The balance 300 would get relief in stage-wise by trying to check whether the areas were developed or no, and if the areas are developed, they would all get relief. So we hope that this committee would carry on the good work, and we would like to thank all of them, and thank even Chief Minister Maral Parikar, who had assured us that he would do something about this.
प्रुडंटा खातीर व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट ओंकार फळारी.